Welcome back to Traveler's Place. Today we're diving into one of the most vivid sides of Spanish life, the local market. In Spain, markets aren't just places to buy groceries. They are social stages where culture, family life, and food traditions all meet under one roof. A walk through Mercado de Atarazanas in Málaga is like stepping into the heartbeat of the city, where voices, colors, smells, and laughter all overlap in the best possible way. People here don't rush in and out. They chat with stall owners, ask what's freshest today, and pick up tips on how to cook a simple but delicious meal at home. This kind of everyday ritual says a lot about Spanish society, where taking time to enjoy food and company is still considered an essential part of a good life, not a luxury. As we wander through the market together, pay attention not only to what's being sold, but to how people move, greet each other, and share small moments. Because that's where the soul of Spain really shows itself. Now, as we stroll under the iron and glass structure of Mercado de Atarazanas, you can feel how history and daily life live side by side. The building itself hints at Malaga's long story as a port city, with layers of influences from different cultures that once arrived here by sea and left their mark on architecture, recipes, and traditions. A market like this is the perfect place to taste Andalusian identity, the relaxed rhythm, the love for fresh ingredients, and the habit of turning simple products into shared meals. You'll notice how the stalls are arranged almost like a neighborhood in miniature, with regulars who know exactly where to go for their favorite items, and visitors slowly weaving through, eyes wide and cameras ready. Malaga has grown into a modern city with museums, beaches, and nightlife, but this market keeps it grounded, reminding everyone that good food and human connection are still at the center of everyday life. Listening to the blend of vendors calling out, customers laughing, and friends catching up over a quick bite, you start to understand why so many people fall in love with Spain. It's not just the sights, it's this sense of warmth and shared enjoyment that turns an ordinary shopping trip into a small celebration. Walking through this market, we've seen how Spanish culture comes alive not only in big festivals or famous landmarks, but in the simple act of choosing food, sharing stories, and taking time to enjoy the moment. If you're dreaming of a trip to Spain, places like this are where you'll feel the country most intensely, in the friendly exchanges, the lively atmosphere, and the way everyone seems to know how to balance work, pleasure, and community. We hope this visit has inspired you to look beyond the usual tourist sites and dive into local markets wherever you travel, because that's where cities reveal their true character.
Yo me pongo más contento cuando ¿verdad?
Thanks for joining Traveler's Place on our Mercado de Atarazanas adventure today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures. Hit like if you learned something new and drop a comment below. Let us know what country or city you'd love to explore next. See you next time, and until then, keep traveling